Pipedrive versus Copper. Which one is better? Are you choosing between Pipedrive and Copper in 2025? Let's compare these CRM tools to help you decide which fits your needs best. Pipedrive is a sales-focused CRM designed to streamline lead management and sales processes. For its different key features, it has a visual sales pipelines, email integration, activity reminders, and customizable dashboards. For user ratings, it has a high mark for ease of use and customer support. It starts at $14 per user per month with a free trial available. Now for Copper, formerly known as ProsperWorks, it focuses on seamless integration with Google Workspace, making it ideal for teams heavily using Gmail and Google Calendar. For its key features, it has a deep Google Workspace integration, contact and lead management, email tracking, and workflow automation. It has positive feedback for ease of use and integration capabilities. And it starts at $25 per user per month with a free trial available. So as a quick comparison, Copper offers superior integration with Google Workspace, allowing users to manage CRM tasks directly from Gmail. Pipedrive excels in traditional sales pipeline management with its visual approach and customizable stages. Both platforms are user-friendly, but Pipedrive's interface is often praised for its simplicity. And Pipedrive is more cost-effective, especially for small to medium-sized businesses. So in summary, choose Pipedrive for a straightforward, sales-centric CRM experience and opt for Copper if deep Google Workspace integration is a priority. And thanks for watching.